Hello YouTube, it is me, Volty17. Quick video. This is what happened when Fly messed with Sean, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you wanna mess with me anymore, huh, fool? Huh? Never letting you go. Trying to decide what suicide you want. Drown or let him thirst till death. Let's drown him. Okay? We're gonna drown him. Haha, this is what you get for, like, screwing me over. It took me like 30 minutes to capture this piece of, yeah, you know. Yeah, get down. Get down. So, yeah, you like that, Fly? Wait, I'm gonna put water in it, so you guys just chill, you know. Yeah. Anymore. This way, you guys. Yeah, that's right. This with me. This with me. Yeah, so I'm back, and then, yeah, look at this Fly. Yeah, screw you. Yeah, get down, huh? Yeah, screw you. This is what you get for messing up with me. So anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumb up. See you next time in the next video. Bye.